If Google Chrome is flickering on your Windows 11 computer, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. Screen flickering in Chrome is often caused by a temporary glitch, an outdated browser, hardware acceleration, or even an old graphics driver, so we're going to go step by step and cover the most effective solutions first. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get started. First, completely close Google Chrome. Make sure it is not just minimized, but actually fully closed. If needed, right-click the Chrome icon and close all windows, then reopen Chrome again. Sometimes a temporary graphics glitch is all it takes to make the screen flicker, and a simple restart can clear it up immediately. Next, let's update Google Chrome. Open Chrome, then click the three dots in the top right corner. Hover over Help, then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates, and if there is a new version available, it will begin installing it right away. Once the update is complete, click Relaunch. Keeping Chrome updated is important because new versions often include fixes for display problems, GPU issues, and other bugs that can cause flickering. If Chrome is still flickering, the next step is to disable hardware acceleration. To do that, click the three dots again and open Settings. In the left menu, go to System. Look for the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that setting off, then click Relaunch to restart Chrome with the new setting applied. This is one of the most common fixes for Chrome screen flickering because hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with your graphics card or Windows display settings. Now let's update your graphics driver. Press Windows +X on your keyboard, then click Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click your graphics card, then choose Update Driver. Follow the prompts to search for the latest driver. Updated GPU drivers can fix flickering, black screen flashes, and rendering issues in Chrome and other apps. If Windows finds a newer driver, install it and restart your computer if prompted. Another helpful step is clearing Chrome's cache. Open Chrome and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Select Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. A corrupted cache can sometimes trigger display problems, so clearing it can give Chrome a fresh start and help stop the flickering. After you've done all of that, reopen Chrome and test it again. In many cases, one of these steps will completely fix the issue. If the flickering is gone, that's great. If it still happens, the problem may be related to a specific extension, a conflicting app, or deeper Windows display settings, but these steps solve the issue for most users. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Google Chrome screen flickering on Windows 11. If it did, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech troubleshooting video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.